Install your upholstery on your Midmark exam table easily. On the examination table, you can see for holes in the back and 2 holes in the seat. Adjust the lock for the upholstery. These parts must fit into the holes in the exam table. Place the upholstery in position, and first adjust the top of the upholstery to the examination table. Once all the holes are in place, rotate the piece to lock the cover to the exam table. Repeat the same process with the seat. And that's it. Our examination table is ready to use. Thank you for watching our video.